Yung mga po existing na member po ng government workforce, we want you to be honest kung ilang taon na po kayo sa government, the aggregated service, and what branches of service po na nandoon kayo. Yung mga barangay officials natin, yung mga SB members natin, at saka kindly indicate din po kung kayo po ba ay family member ng isang veteran, member of the Veterans Federation. No? So, yun na. About the author, wala na to, ano lang to. Advertisement lang siguro natin to. Pero sa buod lang, I spent 17 years in the Department of the Interior and Local Government. I experienced various and numerous government examinations. And it's due to this that I am actually mm, trying, I am imparting this knowledge, these skills, and strategies to you. Hindi man ako educator, I am not a licensed teacher, but I am a trainer. Trained to impart knowledge to barangay officials, local officials, functionaries of the local government units, to impart knowledge on specific provisions of the law, ordinances, law, and other projects of the government while I was still in active service. Kung sila man po ay naturuan ko to become successful leaders in their communities, I believe mas matulungan ko po kayo on how to pass the civil service exam, you being professionals, you being qualified to undertake examinations. Thank you po. Ito po yung Hmm, sinasabi nila dito na links na pwede niyo po akong makontak. I have my email here, I have my Facebook, my Twitter or X. X account po, hindi po yung X na ano yan. I have my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, my smart number, and of course my